Hello, I'm Priyanka. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to take you to the culinary world. The kitchen is a country where there are always discoveries to be made. Isn't that so true? If you too are an explorer wanting to learn every secret about the culinary world, you will make a great chef. Here are a few reasons for selecting this career. Number one, it is a creative job. The world of cooking can never be mundane. Every day brings new culinary adventures, and only the creative can survive here. If you are a creative soul who believes food fills the heart, this is the right job for you. Number two, food spreads joy. Food brings people together and makes even the most ordinary day fun and exciting. A dinner table full of delicacies and laughter is the biggest blessing. Number three, it is not a monotonous job. You will always have something exciting to look forward to. And fourth, learning never stops in this field. There will always be some new recipes to create or new cooking skills to learn. You will be a lifelong learner. Here are a few benefits of this career. You cannot be an unorganized chef. You have to be organized and efficient to make your name in this field. This job will teach you the value of organizing things. The job of a chef involves stress from many directions. Perfecting recipes, creating new dishes, styling food, and so much more. But this job also teaches you how to handle the stress. It makes you stronger and focused. A chef always has to be creative. So, this field actually makes you a more creative individual. You cannot be daydreaming while the pan is on the stove. You have to be focused, and this field will teach you how to pay attention to the smallest details. Here are a few advantages of being a chef. The food industry can never die, so there will always be jobs getting created. And the best thing is the self employment option in this field. You can start your own food business and spread joy. A good chef is recognized all over the world and can find good jobs even in other cities and countries. You will find opportunities to grow all across the globe because food is appreciated and needed everywhere. It is a job full of creativity. Every coin has two sides, and this career too has some disadvantages. A chef's life is not easy. You have to stand for many hours, bear the heat of the flame, and your work schedule will always be unpredictable. You'll also not have a fixed salary at all times, especially when you're just starting in this career or have your own food business. It is a taxing job and you will have to face stress and even a lot of competition. Loads of people aspire to be chefs, and you will have to compete to be at the top. If you are a student or a guide looking for information for a student, here are a few options. Workshops are a great way to educate students about this career. Various food exhibitions are also a source of learning. Watching food related movies and documentaries, or simply visiting an eatery can also benefit the aspirants tremendously. Here are a few things you should know. You can choose between various degree and diploma courses after finishing your 12th. National Council for Hotel Management Joint Entrance Examination is one of the main exams. Culinary Academy of India in Hyderabad is one of the top culinary institutes in the country. If you are wanting to be a chef, you should know your duties. You will have to supervise the various tasks related to cooking, planning a menu which suits the restaurant, keeping record of ingredients and their usage, and also ensure tasty and good quality food. If you are good at multitasking, you are attentive to details, love cooking, and are motivated to give your best, you will definitely make a good chef. Thank you for watching this video. Best of luck for a life full of cooking and creativity.